This is a Jensen 5 riveted boiler steam engine I found today at a flea market in the little town of Punxsutawney, PA. Punxsutawney is only known for being the place where the groundhog comes out to tell us if we have 6 more weeks of winter. And they have a little flea market there once a month. And I happened to pick up this nice riveted boiler Jensen 5. We're going to see if it runs. Ooh, and it's spitting water at everything. But there it goes. Ooh, what a mess. Okay, well, that's the fun of toy steam engines. And that is just the way I brought it home. I did oil. Slow it down a little. Woo. I'm going to turn the voltage down on my Variac. And we'll just slow that down a little. So all I did was put a few drops of oil on it. I did check the heater to see if it was open or shorted. It checked out fine. As you can see, it's all original, has the original handles, the original early style safety valve, chrome plated smokestack, nice original cord. The decal is not perfect, but still pretty good. It's the curved slot for the cast iron pulley. And for an early Jensen engine that I haven't done anything to yet, I'm pretty pleased. Also, it was a great price. So all in all, great find. I have no plans of any kind of restoration other than just cleaning it up. The boiler looks to be in beautiful condition. Again, I haven't wiped it off or tried to polish it. This is right out of the box.